Are you a die-hard NBA fan with a passion for storytelling? If you said yes, then you're in luck because this job will pay you up to $50,000 annually to write about the NBA, and here's everything you need to know in the next 3 mins. But first, if you appreciate me taking the time to find jobs like this to share with you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more to come. This is an entry-level, full-time, and remote position, and you will be working for one of the fastest-growing networks of fandom-focused sports, entertainment, and lifestyle sites on the internet called Fansided. This is what their website looks like, and as you can see they cover a lot of sports, but they're looking for someone to write articles about the NBA. So what kind of articles are they looking for exactly? They are looking for articles that include viral trending topics, opinion pieces, long-form lists, and more. You can see examples of articles already written and published on their website. I'll leave the link in the description. Now that you have an idea of what kind of articles to write, how about the benefits? As you already know, this is a remote position, and you can make up to $50,000. The other benefits include a flexible vacation policy, 15 paid holidays, paid parental leave, health insurance, and a 401k retirement plan. Let's take a closer look at what you will be doing as a staff writer, and then we'll go over the requirements. You will need to write 16 to 20 interesting and engaging articles per week. And before you say that's a lot of articles, I've seen some of the articles on their website, and they're not that long at all. You will need to stay up to date with popular players and teams. You will need to do research or use your existing knowledge to generate content. Collaborate with editors and team leaders to generate content that is optimized for search engines. Complete assignments from editors and be a great teammate. Let's take a look at the requirements quickly, so you guys can go ahead and apply. Before we go over the requirements, they want you to know that if you're not sure that you're 100% qualified, but you're up for a challenge to still apply, the requirements are that you must have at least 1 year of digital sports editorial writing experience, with basic knowledge of SEO, extensive knowledge of the NBA, a confident voice, strong communication skills, ambition, agility, so you can quickly brainstorm, produce, and edit clean and interesting analyses on a variety of trending viral topics. The ability to multitask, and adaptability to work nights and weekends, especially during the season and big events. If you guys feel like you're a right fit for this job, go ahead and apply quickly. The link is in the description. If you don't feel like this is the job for you, that's okay. Maybe one of these videos on screen can help you find the right job. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll be first to know when there's a new job available or when I drop a video on how you can make a full-time income online. See you in the next one.